Hello, blessed and beautiful people. Yeah, I call you blessed and beautiful because that's what you are, definitely. Welcome to my channel. So, if you're new to my channel, like if it's your first time to watching my videos, kindly please subscribe, join our family so that we can grow together. Like the videos, comment, and also feel free to share. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Bantu knots. Guys, it's the very first time I'm doing Bantu knots on my hair and I'm so excited about this. I just can't wait to see how they turn out. First, I'm going to mist my hair. I'll be doing them on these. I've had my hair in twists for like 2 days, so I'm just going to do them on these. I'm just going to unravel the twist and put on Bantu knots. So if you already know, water is like bay to natural hair. Water is natural hair's best friend. Don't work on dry hair, so just mist your hair a little bit so that it can become at least manageable. So there you see I'm just sectioning the hair. The two strand twists that I had, I'm just parting them into two, so I'll be working on each separate. Like I'll be working on one side of the twist and the other one to produce two Bantu knots. So after misting, I just go ahead and detangle. You can use your fingers, that's the best way for detangling, but if you can't use fingers, guys, a wide tooth comb, that's the other best option to use. You don't want to break your hair strands, so just go ahead, use your wide tooth comb and detangle your hair gently and thoroughly. That's the secret to achieving perfect Bantu knots. So just be thorough but gentle. After doing that, I'm just going to kind of seal in the moisture with my oil. I use coconut oil on my hair strands. That's the only product that I'll be using for this tutorial. Only water and my coconut oil. But if you like, you can go ahead, use your styling gels. You can use any gel or cream that you have, whichever you want, it's allowed. But for me, being a minimalist, those are the only two products that I'll be using for this tutorial. So after moistening and sealing in the moisture, you just take your sectioned hair and twist it in that fashion as you see me doing there. Then you're going to twist it again around your hair. I don't know if I've explained that well, but as you see me there, just after twisting the strand, coil it again on the section of hair as you see me doing there, just below the coiled hair. Just do that and coil it. I hope you get the gist on how I'm explaining from the illustration. So coil it and coil it again, just below the other strand that you coiled earlier on. Just do that up to the tip of your hair and make sure it's there. It is. But another thing, guys, make sure you don't put it so tight, because after that you don't want your hair to be like it's on fire, so don't put it tightly. And also to prevent it from coming out, you can use bobby pins. I didn't use those because I didn't have them handy, but you can use bobby pins at the bottom part. After coiling your hair, you can take the bobby pins and put them at the bottom. So another section, there it is, just detangling gently but thoroughly. Ensure all the knots are taken out, because you want to achieve a perfect Bantu knot out thereafter. So detangle your hair as much as you can, then check your oil. If you like, you can even use the curling creams, you can even use that, but I only had oil, so that's what I'm going to be using. I hope it turns out well. Just experimenting for the first time. So yeah, go ahead, seal in the moisture, work it in properly, ensure that it coats all strands, then you are good to start doing your bantu knots. Take it from the root and just coil it. Hold it firmly but not so tightly. Then you just coil your hair as you see me doing there. And yeah, just continue doing the process through the whole head as you'll see me doing. And I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So keep on watching to the end and I'll see you thereafter. I'll fast forward this process for you, but please do stay up to the end for the final result.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky.
can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me I can wait another minute. I can wait another second to be with you for an eternity. I feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you, with you. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky.
A few moments later.
So guys, here's the final look. That's my Bantu knots. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. Please kindly, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, then thereafter click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.